Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, we'll see the concept of how to add elements to the list. So let's get started. A list can be created by using square brackets, and the values can be duplicated or repeated. It is index based, and we can add, remove, replace, insert values into list. Now we will see the concept of how to add elements into the list. First, I will write the program, and later on we will discuss the program. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As, and you can give any file name. Like here I am giving listnum.py. Python file should be saved with the extension .py. File name .py. Now click on Save. Yeah, file is saved, and also we got Python file here. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd, enter, and we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now file name which we have saved just now .py, enter. See, initially x equal to 14, 25, 36. This is the list, and we have printed the list by using printx. And later on, by using append method, we have appended 35 to the list. So 35 is appended at the last of the list. So copy this, and I am pasting the output here. This is the output. Now x equal to 14, 25, 36. These are the elements present in the list. Now we are adding, we are appending the element 35 to the list. So it is adding at the end of the list. We have to use append method to add elements in the list. I hope everyone clear with this code, and this is the output. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will discuss more complex programs in the further videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.